Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create stunning text wrap effects effortlessly in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. And here we go. You can click apps and design essentials in order to start. And here we go. This is the tab warp. Create stunning text wrap effects effortlessly. So elevate your design with effortlessly text wrapping. Use pre-made text shapes to create unique, eye-catching typography that transform your project instantly. So you can click. Here we go. So you can write your text. For example, let's write something here. And the font, you can try to choose the type of font. This one, for example. Next, for the shape, you can choose by your preference. So even you can adjust the curve, change the curve based on your preferences. If you're done, just click add to design. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.